Please, let's consider this question on statistics. WASSCE 2024, question 13 on commerce. It says, the table shows the height, M, of 30 selected trees in a forest. A, find the mean height of the tree. B, calculate, correct to one decimal place, the I, median, II, mean deviation. So, first of all, let's look through our table before we start our work. So height is here, and that's M. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14, which corresponds to the number of trees 5, 4, 6, 5, 6, 4. So it says, I says we should calculate for the mean height. So our mean height is equal to sigma fx over sigma f. Our mean height is sigma fx over sigma f. So let's draw a new table for the work. So our height m is the x, and our number of trees is our frequency f. Then we find our f of x. Okay, so from here our height is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then 14. Okay. And our frequency, that's the number of trees, is 5, 4, 6, 5, 4, 6, 5, 6, and then 4. So here, you just need to multiply the height by the number of trees, that's x times x, f, to get our f of x. So here 9 multiplied by 5 gives us 45, and then multiplied by 4 gives us 40, and then 11 multiplied by 6 gives us 66, and also 12 multiplied by 5 gives us 60, and also 13 multiplied by 6 gives us 78, as 14 multiplied by 4 gives us 56. Here, our sigma f of x will be the summation of the values over here, and our sigma of f is 30. And it has been already stated in the question. The table shows the height of 30 students. So our sigma f of x is the summation of 45 plus 40 plus 66 plus 60 plus 78 plus 56, and that's 345. Okay, so our mean is equal to sigma f of x, that's 345 on our sigma f, that's 30. So 345 divided by 30 gives us 11.5. So our mean becomes 11.5. Now let's move on to B. It says calculate, correct to one decimal place, the median. It says calculate, correct to one decimal place, the median. And we know median to be the middle value or the middle quarter, and median is equal to half times the total frequency. Okay, so here our total frequency is 30, and that's 15. But don't forget, our total frequency is an even number, that's 30. Since our total frequency is an even number. That means the median or the middle number must be 2. And for it to be 2, half times the 30 gives us 15. So 15 is not the actual mean value. This is to determine or show us the position of the median. So the median won't be the 15. It will be the 15th position, 15th position, 15th position, and the 16th position. Okay, so the median will be the 15th position and the 16th position. Since the total frequency is an even number, that means the middle number must consist of 2 numbers. So here we just go back to our table and trace where to locate the 15th and the 16th position. So here we just sum up the number of trees till we get the 15th position and the 16th position. So here we start by summing 4, 5, and 4 to get 9. We haven't reached our 15th position, so we will add additional value. We get to the 11th on the height, and it corresponds to 6. So 9 plus 6 will give us the 15th. So now we are on our 15th position, but don't forget our 16th position as well. So we move on to the 12 on the height, then it corresponds to 5. So our 15 plus 5 gives us 20. So our median is the 15th position, that's 11. And the 16th position, that's 12. So our median will be 11 plus 12 divided by 2, and that's 23 divided by 2. And we know 23 divided by 2 to be 11.5. And therefore we can say our median is 11.5. Now we move on to our next question. It says we should calculate for the mean deviation, and here is the mean deviation. As you know, the mean deviation formula is known to be mean deviation is equal to sigma f absolute x minus the mean on sigma f. So here, let's come back to our table. Here we know our sigma fx. We need to find the absolute of the absolute of x minus the mean. So now absolute of x minus the mean. So here, all we need to do is we already know our mean. Our mean is 11.5 from our previous answer. So we just subtract our mean from the value of x, that's the height. So here, what it means is that any number, the absolute bar, any number found between these two absolute bar is going to be a positive value. For example, absolute bar of -4 will give us 4. Same as absolute bar of 4 will give us 4. So whenever the negative or positive number comes between these absolute bars, the answer is totally a positive value. So here, we just need to subtract our mean from the value of x. So 9 minus our mean, 11.5. So 9 minus 11.5 gives us -2.5. And since it's in the absolute bars, it becomes a positive value rather. So answer becomes 2.5. And same as to the answers as follows. So then we move on to the 10. 10 minus mean 11.5 becomes 1.5. And 11 minus 11.5 gives us 0.5. Same to 12 minus our mean 11.5 gives us 0.5. And 13 minus our mean 11.5 gives us 1.5. And the last 14 minus our mean gives us 2.5. So over here we've gotten our absolute x minus the mean. So therefore we are just to multiply the frequency by the absolute x minus the mean to get our f of absolute x minus the mean. Okay, so over here we multiply our frequency, that's the number of trees, by the absolute of x minus the mean. So here 5 times 2.5 gives us 12.5. And 4 times 1.5. 4 times 1.5 gives us 6. Also 6 multiplied by 0.5 gives us 3. Also 5 multiplied by 0.5 gives us 2.5. And also 6 multiplied by 1.5 gives us 9. And last 4 multiplied by 2.5 gives us 10. So now we've done with our frequency, that's our f times our x minus the mean. So therefore our sigma f of x minus the mean is equal to the summation of all the values over here. So now 12.5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2.5 plus 9 plus 10 gives us 43. So our sigma f absolute x minus the mean gives us 43. So therefore our mean deviation is equal to 43 on our sigma f, that's 30. So 43 on 30 gives us 1.4333. So we can say our mean deviation is equal to 1.4333. But the question demands us to find or correct our answer to 1 decimal place. So we can say our mean deviation is equal to 1.4. Now, as you can see, our mean deviation is equal to 1.4. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.
So, I want to introduce my students here. And I believe that once you have seen him today, you'll be seeing him in some of our videos. And I know you have enjoyed his lesson. He's Maxwell. So if you want to enjoy more of his lessons, I want you to put at the comment section and let him know if you want to enjoy more of his lessons. Okay. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to comment, like, and share. See you once again. Bye.